Welcome back to my channel, fellow wealth seekers. Today, we're going to be diving into untold secrets that can unlock the doors to unstoppable wealth. Forget what you think you know. We're about to uncover the hidden gems that will change your financial game forever. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs that could potentially change your life. Now, the first thing we want to talk about is the mindset shift. You've heard about saving and budgeting, but there's the untold truth. Wealth begins with a powerful mindset. We'll reveal the secret psychology behind millionaires and billionaires and how you can adopt their winning mentality to attract abundance into your life. Now, you need to supercharge your earnings. Saving alone will make you wealthy. It's time to supercharge your earnings. We'll explore the lesser known avenues to increase your income, from leveraging your skills and talents to side hustles and passive income streams. Brace yourself for surprising methods that can skyrocket your financial success. Now, some of the examples we have are freelancing. Okay, you can go on sites like Fiverr and Upworks and advertise your services and get paid for it. You can start an online business. There are sites out there like Etsy or Shopify or any of those sites out there. You can learn a lot of stuff on YouTube on how to start your own online business, and also my favorite, real estate. There are tons of information out there on how to start a real estate portfolio. I'm not here trying to share that right now, but you can do your research. These are just examples of some of the things you can use to supercharge your earnings. Next will be investment beyond stocks. Forget everything you know about investments. We're not unveiling the secret world of wealth building opportunities beyond the stock market. Okay? You want to discover the untapped potential of real estate. Like I said, that's one of my favorite, of bonds, of commodities, and unconventional investments that could potentially change your financial destiny. All right. So these are just some of the things that you can do. Next, we want to talk about, taking risk. Now, the road to riches involves risk, and you have to identify what your risk tolerance is before you embark on this. You've been told to avoid risk, but there's the untold truth. Calculated risk can be the road to riches. Okay, so you want to make sure you do your due diligence and you only invest in things that you're comfortable with. Okay, if you go online, there are inspiring stories of entrepreneurs and inventors and risk takers who have, done massively well for themselves because they embraced calculated risk that actually catapulted their wealth building journey. Now, the long-term gain. Building wealth isn't an overnight success story. Okay, it's a long-term game that requires persistence and patience. Sometimes we get impatient when it comes to getting results, but as the saying goes, slow and steady wins the race. In this case, when you're building wealth, it does take time. All right, so you want to make sure that you are patient with your journey, and make sure you're tracking your process, and making sure that everything that you're doing aligns with your goals. Okay, it all comes down to the most successful individuals stay committed to their goals, and you want to make sure that you stay committed to your goals, because you're going to have distractions along the way. You're going to have family members and friends that will try to dissuade you from achieving your goals. Sometimes you have to let those people go in order for you to flourish. So my advice is stay committed to your goals, stay focused. Sometimes you will not see results. I'm speaking from personal experience, but eventually, if you're doing what you need to do and everything lines up for you, you will definitely achieve your goals. All right. Now, the next part will be the power of connections. Did you know that your network can determine your net worth? I know that's a cliche saying. You probably heard that before. You want to ensure that you expand your network and forge valuable alliances and leverage the power of collaboration to unlock new opportunities and accelerate the world building journey. This might be attending network events, conferences, and also you can go online and check out some success stories of people who have overcome adversity, and just because they had the right connections, they were able to get things accomplished. Now, bouncing back from setbacks, like I said, there will always be setbacks. Whatever journey you embark on, there will always be some setbacks. So you need to prepare yourself for setbacks when they do arise. Okay, so building wealth isn't a smooth ride. There are setbacks and failures that will definitely come your way. Okay, however, there are stories of people who have overcome setbacks and were able to accomplish their goals. So you want to make sure that you research these people, go online, go on YouTube, watch their stories, and that should give you inspiration to understand that setbacks are inevitable. This is life. Things will always happen to us, but you just have to be able to navigate whatever setback you have. Okay, you want to be able to dust yourself up and get yourself going. So look out for those stories of individuals who overcame adversity. Finally, you want to make sure that once you've acquired your wealth, philanthropy isn't just for the wealthy. You want to make sure that you're able to enrich the lives of others and give back to your community. So I hope you found this video enlightening, and as usual, don't forget to share this. Don't forget to leave your comments down below if you agree with some of this, and whatever feedback you have. I really appreciate that. And thank you again to all my subscribers. I know I have a lot of people from India who are watching my videos. I really want to thank you all for being there for me and supporting this channel. And make sure you stay tuned for the next video coming up. It's going to have some interesting information for you that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Until next time, I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.